Hello, good day, and my deepest and most humble respect to Atma Malik, His Holiness Sadhguru, and I wish to thank the organizers for the opportunity given to me to participate in this program. I'm Dr. Priya, a doctor in a government hospital, and my specialty is obstetric and gynecology, where I work with patients and handle patients in wards, clinics, and also perform operations for these patients. I wish to get the blessings of all the gurus and my parents to be able to give a talk today on how to handle and overcome this stressful pandemic situation that is ongoing, and the importance and the role of meditation in our daily life. Before I begin my talk today, I would like to say a short prayer. Om Gam Ganapati Namaha. Om Gam Ganapati Namaha. Om Gam Ganapati Namaha. The purpose of my talk today is to share my experience as a frontliner on how to stay calm and handle these stressful situations during the ongoing pandemic. In my daily life as a doctor, I meet many different kinds of patients with different background and conditions. They come with all kinds of illness, pain, and also emotional stress. So these patients have all not only come with their medical illness, but also they carry along their emotional stress. So as a duty as a doctor, I have to handle these patients in a calm and emotionally stable manner. I have to give them the confidence and reassure them that we as medical practitioners will give them the very best of our service, and reassure them that they will be fine. I would like to let the public know how I'm able to be calm under these different situations. When we see patients, we can have long working hours in a day, but every patient is different, and we have to be most importantly calm, emotionally stable when we handle different patients. So firstly, before I start my day or before I go to work in the morning, I'll begin my day with a brief meditation, about 10 to 20 minutes. Why do I do this? Is to store up a lot of positive energies within my chakra. I have to be spiritually sound and say my prayers to give me the positive energy to overcome all my obstacles in my work. So when I meditate, or even in my prayers, I pray for guidance to go through my day smoothly, to handle my patients well, to guide me in my management of my patients, and also I pray that my patients will be well. I'm also blessed that my father is a Reiki master and my mother is a yoga practitioner, and they assist me in all matters of my life, including my work tasks. With this positive energy, I'm able to perform to my best and handle my cases, my patients well. When we talk about spiritual energy, how do we gain spiritual energy? These are by different methods. As we know, one of it is through our daily prayers. There are other methods we can gain this spiritual energy. This through meditation, yoga, Reiki, and other methods that are there. So what I would like to inform any patients who come or seek any treatment in anywhere, hospital, clinics, anywhere, when you have any illness, firstly, you have to strengthen your mind spiritually so that whatever treatment you undergo or whatever diagnosis that you're faced with, illnesses that you're faced with, you will have a positive outlook to it, and by God blessing, positive result to it. Now I would like to say a few things to my fellow colleague frontliners and about the current COVID pandemic situation. And my advice goes to all my dear colleagues. As a frontliner myself, I know we are facing a very challenging, stressful, tiring, and scary situation out there. We are faced with many patients not knowing their COVID status. I myself have experienced handling these patients because when they come in emergency situations, we do not know their COVID status, and we have to treat these patients as normal patients with precautions and safety manner. I myself have taken COVID swabs, COVID tests multiple times after getting to know that these patients have COVID. So during these situations, we do go through fear ourselves. And therefore, it is important for us to be brave, strong, and calm in our mind. These are the risks that we as frontliner and medical staff have to take, as it is our job. We have to be brave to work under the situation and perform our best. We can only be brave enough to face all these challenges if we are spiritually strong. And one of the methods to overcome this is by meditation. When I said meditation, we not only have to do meditation at home or in a temple or any prayer place. We can also do it at work when we have a long day at work. So during our break, we can take a 5-10 minutes break. Sit in a quiet place, close our eyes, meditate, calm our mind, call out our gurus, or say our prayers, and calm ourselves down. Meditation is when we actually talk to God or any spiritual energies, asking them for guidance and to strengthen our mind, body, and soul. So when we meditate, we actually sit quietly, relax our mind, and in that way we can actually listen to God. Meditation not only helps us to calm ourselves, it's also part of a healing for us, as it takes place as a result of relaxation. During meditation, we get to be aligned with the universe. Our electromagnetic field is strengthened, So when this happens and we are in alignment with the universe, we can easily draw energy to strengthen our chakras and aura around us. So we will have a positive energy and positive aura. Now, I will just tell briefly on the method of meditation for the beginners or for anyone out there. It's a very simple method. So what we can do is sit in a quiet place, comfortable, wherever that's comfortable for us, any part of the house, maybe a prayer place or your room. Close your eyes. Begin by watching the breath. You can simply watch your breath rise and fall off your chest or belly as the breath goes out. It is better to close your eyes and start watching your breath. First, the inhalation from where it enters your nostrils, right down into your lungs. This is also a good method of lung exercise for you. So as you take a deep breath, you inhale. You can inhale to the count of 4. It's much better if your breath touches your navel center. You take a deep breath. And at the end of your inhalation, there's a gap where you hold your breath before the exhalation starts. And then after that, you exhale. When you exhale, you watch your breath. Watch the exhalation, and at the end of the exhalation, there is a second gap. So you can exhale to the count of 4. Now, do these 4 steps 2 to 3 times and just watch your breath. And it will come naturally to you. It comes with practice. It may be difficult for the beginners, but as you go along, as you do it often, it will be easy. For some beginners, when you sit and meditate, you will have a lot of thoughts that comes to your mind. So what you can do is imagine a clear sky with clouds. And as you go into meditation, these clouds will start clearing from the sky. And the clear sky is actually your clear mind. So that is meditation and a simple method to it. Now I'll end my talk by saying it's important that we learn the art of absorbing cosmic energy and to balance with our human energy. This is important to maintain good health, control our daily stress in all forms, and create a peaceful and stress-free atmosphere, not only for us, for our family and also our friends, and all imparting love and understanding to all human beings and other living being in this world. With that, I end my talk. Thank you.
आत्मा मालिक। अब इसके बाद आत्मचिंतन एवं ध्यान का पाठ होगा।
Now we will follow this session of meditation.
ध्यान के लिए आसनस्थ होकर सीधे बैठ जाइए।
Sit down comfortably and straight in any asana.
अब दोनों हाथों को दोनों घुटनों पर ज्ञान मुद्रा में रख दीजिए।
Keep your both hand on both knees in Gyan Mudra.
अपनी आंखें बंद कर दीजिए। भीतर उतरकर हृदय चक्र पर आत्म रूप का चिंतन एवं ध्यान कीजिए।
Slowly close your eyes and try to concentrate on the holy image of Atma Swarupa in our heart.
अगले कुछ मिनट तक ध्यानस्थ होकर आत्मस्वरूप का चिंतन करें।
We will continue to be in this state of meditation for few minutes.
ध्यान के पश्चात आरती के साथ समापन करेंगे।
After meditation, Aarti will take place and thereby today's session will end.
आत्मा मालिक।
Gurudev's universal divine dictum. The only truth in this universe, according to Indian philosophy, is the Atma, soul, self, universal energy, consciousness, or God. That is the sole reality. Everything else is perishable. Innumerable changes happen in nature, but the Atma always remains constant. It neither has a beginning nor an end. It is immortal. The Atma, soul, existed before the concept of any other form of God. Contemplation and meditation on the Atma, even for a moment, can lead us towards the experience that we and the Atma are the same. Self-realization. This is the same state we seek to achieve by the practice of yoga. The Atma, soul, is present in one and all and resides in our heart. The easiest and the most effective way to attain the state of yoga is to meditate on the Atma in our heart. Since the Atma is formless, without any physical properties, it is easier if we meditate on form, the most effective being that of the Sadguru, one who is constantly absorbed in Atma, and constant meditation on his form in one's heart will surely lead to self-realization. The Atma, soul, is omnipotent, omnipresent, and omniscient. It does not belong to any particular country, religion, or caste. Every human being can attain God by means of worship and contemplation on the Atma. Jesus Christ, Prophet Muhammad, Shri Krishna, Guru Nanak, Lord Mahavir, Prophet Zarathustra, the Buddha, and many other saints throughout history all attained self-realization, becoming one with God by constant meditation and contemplation on Atma.
बाहर क्या ढूंढता है, ईश्वर वहाँ नहीं है। बाहर क्या ढूंढता है, बाहर क्या ढूंढता है, ईश्वर वहाँ नहीं है। कर ले तू खोज दिल में, ईश्वर का घर वही है। बाहर क्या ढूंढता है,
आनन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्ति द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वाणि साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं नमामि। कापूराची आरती करीतो प्रेमे सद्गुरुला, भावे सद्गुरुला। सच्चिदानंदे रूप पाहुनी आनंद झाला हो। सच्चिदानंदे रूप पाहुनी आनंद झाला। देह कर्दळी उकळून शुद्ध कापूर काढिला, कापूर काढिला। भक्ती वडी हाती घेऊनी लावू ज्योतीला हो। भक्ती वडी हाती घेऊन लावू ज्योतीला। ज्ञान ज्योती लावूनिया ओवाळू हरिला, हरिला ओवाळू हरिला। चिन्मय रूप पाहुनी तन्मय होतो हरुला हो। चिन्मय रूप पाहुनी तन्मय होतो हरुला। कापूराची आरती करीतो प्रेमे सद्गुरुला, भावे सद्गुरुला। सच्चिदानंदे रूप पाहुनी आनंद झाला हो। सच्चिदानंदे रूप पाहुनी आनंद झाला। आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक। आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक। ब्रह्मांड नायक, ब्रह्मांड नायक। आत्मा सबका मालिक, आत्मा सबका मालिक। आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक। आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक। तूच निर्मिले विश्व हे सारे, तू सर्व आधार। तूच न निर्मिले विश्व है सारे तू सर्व आधार। देवी देवता संत रूपाने तू हे से अवतार। देवी देवता संत रूपाने तू हे से अवतार। असुनिया ही एक असुनिया ही एक तुझी रूपे अनेक तुझी रूपे अनेक। आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक। आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक। परम पिता तू अमुचा देवा आम्ही तुझी संतान। परम पिता तू अमुचा देवा आम्ही तुझी संतान। देहाच्या गणगोता मानितो किती अमुचे अज्ञान। देहाच्या गणगोता मानितो किती अमुचे अज्ञान। हा देह म्हणजे नाही मी। हा देह म्हणजे नाही मी। हे नवते ठाऊक आम्हाला नवते ठाऊक। आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक। आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक। देवांचा तू देव आत्मा असून हृदयात। देवांचा तू देव आत्मा असून हृदयात। घालवेला वेळ वाया बाहेर शोधण्यात। घालवेला वेळ वाया बाहेर शोधण्यात। चुकलो देवा क्षमा असावी। चुकलो देवा क्षमा असावी। नमितो मस्तक चरणी नमितो मस्तक। आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक। आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक। निराकार तुझ हनुमंताने पाहिले राम रूपात। निराकार तुझ हनुमंताने पाहिले राम रूपात। कुणी पाहती बिंदू रूपात कुणी ओंकारात। कुणी पाहती बिंदू रूपात कुणी ओंकारात। आम्ही पाहू तुझला आम्ही पाहू तुझला हृदयी आत्मरूपात। हृदयी आत्मरूपात। आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक। आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक। दया सागरा दया करी रे लोटू नको दूर। दया सागरा दया करी रे लोटू नको दूर। ध्यानामध्ये तुझ्या चरणी राहू मन स्थिर। ध्यानामध्ये तुझ्या चरणी राहू मन स्थिर। आत्मदर्शन भावे आत्मदर्शन व्हावे। आता आस हीच एक आता आस हीच एक। आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक। आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक। ब्रह्मांड नायक ब्रह्मांड नायक आत्मा सबका मालिक। आत्मा सबका मालिक। आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक। आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक। आरती सप्रेम जय जय आत्मा मालिक। घालीन लोटांगण वंदीन चरण डोळान पागिन रूप तुझे। प्रेमी आलिंगन आनंदी पूजन भावे वाळीन म्हणे नमा। त्वमेव माता पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धु सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्याधरं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव। कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियेण वा बुद्धात्मना वा प्रकृतिस्वभावात् यत्नं सकलपरस्मै नारायणादि समर्पयामि। अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्णदामोदरं वासुदेवं हरे। श्रीधरं माधवं गोपिकावल्लभं जानकीनायकं रामचन्द्र भजे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे।
सदा सर्वदा योग तुझा घडावा, तुझे कारणे देह माझा पडावा, उपेक्षू नको गुणवंता अनंता, सद्गुरु समर्था मागणे हेची आता, ज्या ज्या ठिकाणी मन जाय माझे, त्या त्या ठिकाणी निज रूप तुझे, मी ठेवितो मस्तक ज्या ज्या ठिकाणी, तेथे सद्गुरु पाय तुझेच दोन्ही, सद्गुरु समर्था मी बाळतानी, तुझीच सेवा करू काय जाणी, अन्याय माझे कोट्यान कोटी, सद्गुरु समर्था घालावे पोटी, अनंत कोटी ब्रह्मांड नायक राजाधिराज योगिराज परब्रह्म सच्चिदानंद श्री सद्गुरु विश्वात्मक गुरुदेव की जय।
सबका मालिक
आत्मा,
सबका मालिक
आत्मा,
सबका मालिक
आत्मा।